Wild Gatorade. It looked like my 80-year-old cousins. Anyways, it has its cousin of the Vic stick inside of there. The scented Gatorade is a graceful creature. Its water scales over the G in the Gatorade. Now, the Gatorade is a fascinating creature. It is built like my little brother. It has many QR codes on it. It has a cool blue TM. The Gatorade is a magnificent creature with nutrition facts. Calories 80. It must be a fat product. Anyways, the G in Gatorade is for grandma. These are the fascinating creature of bacon cheddar chips. Look at them. They're magnificent. It's alive. But look at these beautiful chips. Anyways, look at the creature and magnificent over its beautiful kindness. Anyways, look at it. It's magnificent. Wait, I kind of look good in that photo. My hand kind of looks zesty though. Half of my hand looks black. I look tan.
Talk about the chip.
Anyways, the chips are magnificent. Bye. That's enough for this fanboy documentary. These are the magnificent creature of the Made in US non-telly pouches. Alpha. This is fully loaded. Nutrients in the back. Nothing. You see how good it is? And look at it's very beautiful. Dad, can I have your phone when you get a new one?
I'm doing diagnostics now.
It has the good, like, see, like, look. It was, like, good. It's, like, really good.
Okay, back to the video.
Look at it. It looks like my grandma. Yeah, I want his phone when, he gets a new one.
Oh my gosh, look, there's an American flag at the bottom.
Anyways, have a good, magnificent creature. Peanut butter flavored pretzel. Open. These magnificent creatures reside in their home. They do not move to predators. They only let them get eaten. And they are packed in there like sardines, and their waste fills the bottom. Look at their waste. And we eat them on a daily basis. We should not be eating these creatures. They are endangered. Peace out, my brothers.